vaccination sites for COVID-19 booster shots are now available for Cebuanos as the Department of Health Central Visayas has formally launched its Res Bakuna sa Botica here in Cebu City this Wednesday, February 2, 2022. IATF Visayas Deputy Chief Implementer General Mel Feliciano, Chief Implementer and Vaccine Czar Secretary Carlito Galvez Jr., and Deputy Chief Implementer and Testing Czar Secretary Vivencio Dizon were present during the ceremonial launching this morning, and they hope with the increased access to vaccination sites, more Filipinos will get their jabs to be protected from the virus.
So, ang natin is talagang magpabaksinate tayo. Kasi importante talaga yung boostering kasi unang-una, may false sense of security tayo na na-vaccinate na full vaccinated, pero may waning effect ang mga vaccine. After 3 months, bumababa na po yan. So, kailangan iakyat po natin siya kasi pagka once na nakakyat siya, at least mga 1 year ang mga time ng boosters natin.
Sa mga hindi pa sigurado magpabakuna, no? Sana magbago na yung desisyon ninyo, no? And now we are making it even easier for you.
Among the pilot participating pharmacies include Rose Pharmacy in JY Square in Lahug and Mercury Drug in Fuente Osmeña. Watson Pharmacy branch in SM City, Cebu will start its rollout at a later date, while additional branches from the 3 pharmacy chains may also start its COVID-19 vaccination in the coming days across the region. Only COVID-19 booster shots for eligible 18 to 59 years old are available at these drugstores, which are administered for free. Online registration is advised at Cebu City's 𝗕𝗢𝗪𝗏.com website for both Cebu City residents and non-residents, and they should also present their previous vaccine cards upon entry.
I am very thankful on behalf of the city government. Additional facet, 𝗕𝗢𝗧𝗬, where is 𝗕𝗢𝗧𝗬? That, as we have been wanting, overzealous, very passionate, that we all will liberate the city of Cebu from the quagmire of the pandemic. And the way to liberation is vaccination.
This specific Rose Pharmacy branch in Cebu City aims to give out 100 booster shots a day.
This program of making COVID-19 vaccines more accessible to all by mobilizing the vast network of pharmacies and pharmacists nationwide is a big step in the right direction in our united fight to beat this pandemic.
This has been Andrea Patena-Matheu for MyTV Cebu.